Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at our new 2018 Galeon 420 Fly. First, to give you a little spec information on the boat. The overall length is 43 feet 8 inches. The boat weighs approximately 27,000 pounds on a beam of about 15 feet 7 inches. We'll check out the profile of the boat. Step aboard, you'll see that this boat has a very large swim platform. It is hydraulic, lowers down in the water. You have steps for boarding when you are in the water. Plenty of room for a dinghy as well. As you step back into the cockpit, you'll notice a few things going on here. This seat moves forward, moves back to give you more space in the cockpit. Cushions fold out to make a sun pad. The salon doors open fully so that the salon seat can also face out, make some intimate, entertaining area here in the cockpit. Step on inside to the salon. As you step in the salon, the first thing you notice, one of Galeon's trademark features, in this case the walnut woodwork. Their attention to detail is unparalleled. They do everything in-house, fabricate all their own materials, from wood to stainless. They control the whole manufacturing process, and it really shows in the finished product. As you step up in the helm area, you see the new Raymarine Axiom chart plotter here at the dash, as well as the Volvo display. This boat is powered by the twin D6 435s. Bow thruster controls, throttle and shift controls. Very clean dash, very user-friendly. And from the helm, one big thing you notice, one clear pane of glass. So no stanchion in the middle, nothing obstructing your view. A great view from the helm. You'll notice the Alcantara material that's used on the ceilings and all around. Very luxurious looking, but also very durable, easy to clean. Holds up extremely well. All right, now as we step down into the galley, see your solid surface counters, cooktop, range, big refrigerator, freezer. For a boat this size, it's a very nice, well-equipped galley. Very spacious, a lot of room. As you step further down, you've got the V-Berth, which on this boat serves as the master, with a master head that has a separate standalone shower. Again, you'll notice the use of natural light. So you've got great views out each side, as well as, if you choose, out the top of the room. If you step over to the second stateroom, you have twins that converts with a filler to make a full. Very versatile, and again, for a boat this size, a second full head. Very impressive. Okay, now we'll step up and check out the bridge of the Galeon 420 Fly. So now we're on the bridge of the Galeon 420 Fly. Very spacious, lots of seating. Over on the starboard side, you've got a wet bar area, nice storage area for a cooler, fridge. Over on the port side, grill as well. As you move up to the helm area, much like down below, you have the Raymarine Axiom chart plotter, your Volvo displays, stereo remotes, bow thruster controls, engine controls. Lots of seating up in the bow area so everybody can be together. Great view, 360 degree beam top. It's collapsible. You can also see, looking forward, the bow area with the sun pad, the windlass, spotlight. Now we're moving back more in the stern area. Again, big L-shaped seating, table, great place to have dinner, hang out on the boat. Again, my name is John Wright. Thank you for checking out our Galleon 420 fly. We look forward to seeing you soon at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Our number is 910-256-8100.